Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to sign out your Gmail account on your iPhone. It is a simple process, but it is important to know, especially if you are sharing your device or just want to switch account. So let's dive right into it. Make sure that your device is connected with the internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you are connected with the internet, locate the Gmail app on your iPhone. Open up the Gmail app. Once you are in the app, look for the profile icon or your email address in the top right corner. It is usually a small circle with your profile picture. It will open up a menu with several options. You will see the Manage Account on this device option, which is at the bottom of the menu. Tap on Manage Account on this device. You will see the account you are currently signed in on your iPhone. Now, simply tap on the option Remove from this device. Here, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the account. Just tap Remove to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully signed out of your Gmail account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.